Hey guys, so I've been traveling a lot, so I haven't had a lot of time to build my element and continue the teardrop camper build that I've been doing. But today I have some time, so I'm going to continue that build. And last off we did these shelves and things like that. But I'm going to continue the storage idea. And what I need to do is I want to have a shelf that comes out something like here, and then I could put things up here, and it should be fine for visibility and stuff because I'm going to keep it very very high. So build it somewhere up here, and you can see there's a little bit of gap here, especially where the sunroof is, where I'm going to have some extra space. So we're going to build up the frame around the two sides, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so first what I want to do is I want to have a piece of wood right here that I could screw into. So I'm going to use this seat belt bolts right here and these hand grab bolts right here. So I should have one, two, three very secure places to mount my wood to that I could start screwing in things. And then for the future, I'm going to have like a cabinet here and things like that. So it'll be more than just the shelves I'm building today, but it's going to be also used in the future as I build out this space right here. Okay, so what I was thinking is having a board, and this is just plywood, and I was going to mount it up like that. Mount it up, bolt it to the seat belt bolt right here, and to those two grab handle bolts. And it should look pretty good, and then I'll be able to mount the shelves using partly this, among other things. Okay, so what I did was I cut out a piece of cardboard just as to make a template for my piece of wood. So you could see this is the way the wood would mount up onto those brackets. I got the bolts in. I'm gonna have to buy longer bolts because this won't be long enough. It was just made for the handle, and my wood is much thicker than this cardboard. So we're going to do that. And if you look, what I have here, these aren't just holes; these are slots, so that it's adjustable a little bit according to what I need. And this is a hole that's like that, so has a little bit of adjustment too. All right, so let's cut the piece of wood and see how well my measurement is on this template. Okay, so I got this piece of wood cut out, and hopefully it will fit up nicely. So the seat belt bolt, you really can't find a replacement for this. It's a weird size. I tried before and I tried again and I still can't find it. So you're stuck using this bolt, which is unfortunate because it's so short. So you got to work around that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in this bolt first because it's the hardest. And then for the grab handles, I got a longer bolt. Let's see, M6 by 50 by 1. And because it's nice and long, you could find the hole. Because it won't be easy because the angle that it goes in, it was not made for this flat surface. So it kind of has to go in an angle. You could kind of see it. All right. Take a look at that. I have a slot that lets you adjust a little bit, sliding it in, come around, and I got slots here just to make it real easy. If you do just a hole, you're going to have a super hard time. Okay, so now let's get up both sides like this. All right, so I got both planks in. So now I have a frame that I could mount things to, and I can make that little shelf. Okay, so for the back here, the element has these clips right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these, and I'm going to tie something right here so that we can hang the back side. Okay, that's the idea for this back side. And you know, right now I just got a twisty tie, but you know, we'll put in the twisty tie just to mock it up. Gonna cut a piece of cardboard to try to get it to shape. All right, so for the mock-up, I have that tied right there. And then let's take a look at it from the other side. All right, so this is the idea. It would sit up like that. You know, I'll put up the wood, and then I'll have some storage up here. You can see there's a little bit extra. I'm holding my hand up so I can't really show you how much. Okay, there it is. So about that much space. And I think that'll be good. And you can see, I can still see out the back window. So that's important to me, that I'm not obstructing my view at all. Okay, so let's cut out the piece of wood to match what I have here. All right, I got it in. And right now I just have that twisty tie holding in this side, but the bulk of the weight is going to be held up by these two sides right there. That's the way it looks like on the outside. So let's go on the inside. All right, so on the inside, it looks like that. I got a couple of screws on the bottom holding it. And I have all this space up here for storage. You can see it. It's, let's see, for reference, let's see, here I can put a bowl. Still a good gap. All right, so now I need to have a bar across. Of course, I just can't have things sliding off. I need to have some kind of retention bar. And that retention bar will also add to the rigidity of this, because you can see it's flexing a little bit. And, you know, it'll add some support. So I'm gonna cut a bar, and then hopefully I could match that angle. I doubt it, it's hard, but we'll see. So I got this piece of wood here, and I cut an angle to match that. And what we're gonna do is we're going to mount this up just so that things don't slide off. All right, I think it looks good. All right, you can see now there's a stop slot. Things won't slide off. And again, just for some reference as to how much room there is, it's just a standard seasoned spice thing. You just put it in and it'll hold, okay? All right, looks good. And you can see for the future, I have this board here that I'm going to mount other things to. But for right now, it gives me this really nice storage space up there. That's going to work out great. You could put blankets and some clothes and towels and all that sort of stuff up there. Take a look back. Yeah, I think it looks great. All right, just for reference, I folded up a towel and have a can of soda up there for you. You can see you can shove things back there, and there's still a little bit more room to cram some more stuff. All right, cool.